Hello, good morning everyone. Welcome to today, April 2022, 9 a.m. sharp New York time, less than 30 minutes for the market to open. And we are watching right now NASDAQ giving some nice follow through from yesterday reversal sell from early in the morning, and NASDAQ down 1.5% this morning. Very nice follow through continuation. So we have SP 500 down 0.9%. We have the Dow down 0.66% to start the day. So the big question is, what the hell happened yesterday? Okay, so one of the things, if you're watching these sessions, okay, I'm doing this for Monday to Friday live, 9 a.m. sharp New York time, to trying to help the traders community the best way possible. So yesterday, if you watch the live session, you can review it once again. One of the things that I said was that one yellow flag was rising on the NASDAQ, was basically showing some relative weakness, and it was actually showing a lower high. What is a lower high? So keeping the things pretty much simple and going into the basics, we have, for a bull case scenario, we need higher highs, higher lows. For the bear case, we need lower highs, lower lows. And one of the things that I saw yesterday, and that's recorded, you can review it on my YouTube channel. One of the things was that the NASDAQ was printing a lower high versus last week highs. So pretty much last week we stalled, okay, printed highs of the week. And yesterday we were printing a lower high versus last week highs. What it comes from lower highs? From lower highs, we have lower lows. So that's exactly what happened. From lower highs, we coming from lower lows. So where we stand right now, yesterday we had a very beautiful reversal sell and engulfing day on some of the names. We closed below the 8-day moving average, and right now on NASDAQ we are right at 21-day moving average. So what you do right now? If you are short, first of all, congratulations, okay? We got some nice shorts yesterday, I'm going to review those. But if you are still short, you should be trimming some of your gains. For example, 25%, 30%, 40% of the position that you are holding, trim some and adjust the stops on the rest to cap your gains. Can we go lower? Yes, we can. Of course we can. Anything can happen on this market, so you need to be mentally prepared for everything. Yes, we can. They want to pull back right into the 21-day moving average. My line in the sand will be these morning lows, okay? If we break down, we can go and retest the breakout area. That is a possible scenario. But we can also, okay, and that's what I want you to be mentally prepared. We can also play here some range, some inside action before giving another bounce, and from there see if makes a lower high or breaking down below and retest and go down. Okay, so yeah, right now it's wise to trim some of the gains and look for some of the leaders, either for upside or downside. For example, Apple, it was one of the biggest runners, okay? I've been fading Apple since this run up, 11 consecutive days going up. It was pretty much insane. Last week, reversal sell from 179.60, pull back into the 8-day moving average. This week it bounced. But same thing as NASDAQ printed a lower high. So this is bearish, okay? Lower high. From lower high, what we have? Lower lows. So what I'll be looking pull back on Apple below Friday lows, 171.94. Right now at 172.5. Looking for a possible move into 170, 171.9 for a retest on last Friday lows and also the 21-day moving average. And from there we will reevaluate. So if Apple holds 172, okay, holds 172, we can try to fill the gap at 1744. So if Apple holds 172, I'll be looking for a possible oversold bounce fill the gap at 1744, but that's an oversold bounce, because right now bears in control. What I want to see, if shorts start covering, that we can fuel the gap filling from this morning. Okay, I'll be looking for Apple, I'll be looking for AMD. Okay, AMD, it was pretty much insane. Okay, we played last week, we played puts 121. Okay, it was intraday here on this reversal sell. I closed way too soon because it gave an amazing follow-through continuation, and right now at 103. Okay, so yeah, from 121 puts all the way into 103. So congratulations for the shorts. Now what? Now it's gapping down. Okay, AMD, it's gapping down. It's at 103. We have big support levels all the way into $99-$100. So what I'll be looking, if you are short, in my opinion, same thing as the rest, you should be trimming 25, 30%, 40% of the position, and adjust your stops on the rest to cap your gains. Okay, the move was from last week. That was the trigger when we got short, and very big. You coming from here, even if you only got in next day, you coming from here, you can be trimming some around here and look for a possible oversold bounce. We have a gap to fill at 106, so that's one of the levels for a possible gap filling if the market bounce. Boeing, what a big reversal yesterday. Okay, so I did not trade it. Okay, I trade the move on Monday. Okay, from I played shorts out of the gate. I flip into calls, played the bounce and closed. Yesterday out of the gate, some red to green move, but it got rejected at 192. Fails below 190, and the rest is pretty much history. So right now at 180 and filling the gap at 180.5. So if you got short, first of all, congratulations, great short. I don't have any position. First support 180 for the gap to fill at 180.5. If it holds 180 and if it reverses back up, it can fill the gap today gap at 182.5. Okay. Otherwise, if it breaks down below 180, watch out, because the next biggest level at 175. Okay, so congratulations to all the shorts. It was a great reversal sell. One of the names that I'll be looking is Baba. Right now gapping down and fading, breaking down below 110. What I'll be looking, if it break down and not able to go into 110, I'll be looking for a gap fill at 105.6. And from there it can go back below $100. So on Baba, I'll be looking for a move below $100 in the next couple of weeks. Facebook are actually fading. Finally, we have been fading Facebook every single day. Right now, very nice to see follow-through continuation on the downside. Reversal sell yesterday from 236, gapping down this morning all the way into 226, very near the 80 moving average. So what I want to see, if it's holding 226 and if it reverses, it can fill the gap at 231. Okay, otherwise, if it breaks down below 226, watch out, because the next biggest level all the way into 219, 220. So, but on the way down, you should be trimming gains, in my opinion. The start from yesterday was actually IWM. Okay, on early in the morning. Okay, big move here on IWM, and it got rejected at 209, pushed back below Monday lows, and we got short puts. Okay, we got short puts 208. Those puts 208 was for today expiration. Okay, 6 April expiration, and those puts 208, we got those puts at $1. I closed mine above 3. They gone all the way. Okay, they gone all the way, amazingly, all the way into above 6. Okay, we can go and I can put the chart. Okay, we can put the chart. Okay, this is the chart from those puts 208. They gone all the way. Our entries were at 1, all the way to 5. I closed mine above 3, and this morning they are going to 7. Okay, so more than 600% profits on those puts. Congratulations, everyone that play with me. Great trade. Congratulations. If you are swinging long in those puts because they expire today, what I suggest you to do: trim the hell out of the profits. Okay, from 1 to 7, more than 600% profits. Congratulations. Trim the profits and wait for what? What we need to see right now, getting near my support level, $200. I want to see if it holds $200, and if it bounced, can fill the gap at 202.5. Otherwise, if it breaks down and stays below $200, we have a next gap to fill at 195.7. First, congratulations for the shorts, and now it's time to book some of the gains and look to see how it will handle the $200 area. JP Morgan, last week I highlighted also on Twitter, okay, if you are following on Twitter, you saw me posting here the start of this breakdown below 139. It broke down last week. The target was to fill the gap at 133.5. It filled the gap and right now back into 132. What I want to see, financials have been pretty much weak. I will only be bullish if it goes above 139. Otherwise, keeping the bear case below 132, looking all the way into 128, 129. That can be one of the levels to watch. Microsoft also gapping down this morning, okay, doing what was expectable to do from lower highs, okay, same thing that I said on NASDAQ. From lower highs, you expect lower lows, so the target was to look for below Friday lows. So right now on the pre-market below 305, we are below Friday lows. So what you do if you are short, we are getting near the support level, okay, around 303. So if you are short, you should be trimming 25-30% of the gains, adjust the stops on the rest, cap your gains, and wait for what? 303 is going to hold. If it holds and if it reverses back up, we have a gap to fill at 309.8. So that can be one of the levels. When I'll be extremely bearish on Microsoft, extremely bearish if it breaks down below 303, if it goes $300, and very bearish below $300, watch out. We can go and retest the breakout area all the way below 290. So watch out for also that possible scenario. NVDA has been one of the things that I've been saying. Well, I did not chase the move higher on NVIDIA. It stalled last week, not able this week, break down below the 8-day moving average. Yesterday, break down and close below 21-day moving average, and the rest is pretty much history. Okay, so pretty much $10 down from yesterday close. So congratulations to all the shorts. Now what do you do? Can we go lower? Yes, we can. Of course we can. Anything can happen. But I want to see if for some miracle NVDA is able to hold 250. If it goes above 250, okay, we have a gap to fill at 258.2. Otherwise, if it stays below 250, what is the next level? 240, and below that we can go retest breakout, and we also have a gap to fill all the way into $230. Okay, so yeah, it can go ugly if not able to hold above 250. The cubes, exactly the same thing. I highlighted yesterday NASDAQ lower highs. What they did pretty much a lower high. From lower high we have lower lows. What was the level? Friday lows 358, right now at 355. Where we stand? Right at 21-day moving average. So what do you do? In my opinion, out of the gate you should be trimming gains. Trim 25-30% of the position, adjust the stops on the rest, and to cap your gains, and wait for what? 355 is going to hold. If it holds 355, we can reverse back up, trying to fill the gap all the way into 359.9. But if we break down below 355 and stay below, we have lots of room for downside, 350. But yeah, we can go even lower all the way to retest the breakout zone here from this bull run last month, okay? So yeah, we have lots of room for downside, but on the targets you should be trimming gains. Other name that I'll be looking roadblocks. If it break down, okay, roadblocks. If it break down below 45, watch out. Lots of room for downside all the way into the $40 area. So roadblocks, it will be also a focus today. Snap, exactly the same thing. In my opinion, Snap should fade yesterday reversal sell from 38.9 all the way into 37. If it break down below 37, can go 36 and below that, watch out, 35 and even lower, 35. We have a gap to fill at $30. So yeah, it can get ugly if it break down below 35. SPY, of course, it will be a focus. Same thing as the rest of the market. Printed a reversal sell yesterday early in the morning after getting rejected at 457, pushed below and closed below the 8-day moving average. When price closed below the 8-day moving average, what you look next? You look for the 21-day moving average. Where is the 21-day moving average? 446.8, okay? Right now at 447.2, so what you do after the market open? We are below Friday lows, so from lower highs coming lower lows. What you do? You trim 25-30% of the position, adjust the stops on the rest to cap your gains, and from there we will reevaluate. Reevaluate what? 446, 445. Is it going to hold? If it holds and reverses back up, it can fill the gap all the way into 449.8. Otherwise, if it breaks down below 445, then bad things can happen. We have room to go all the way into 440, and even if we break down below 440, we can go and retest the breakout from the March bull run, okay? So right now, it's time to take some of the gains and be patient waiting to see what the hell the market is going to do next. Tesla. What can I say about Tesla? Tesla, everyone got pretty much excited with Tesla bull run yesterday when I saw the market fading. It's also on YouTube. I share with you the live trading, okay, from yesterday. You can see that I got short Tesla with puts 10.50, okay, puts 10.50 early in the morning, puts 10.50. I bought those puts all the way into $2.60, okay, and those puts gone all the way into more than $7. I closed way too soon. I closed above 4. Very happy with the gains, and also very happy to see follow through continuation. Right now at 10.68, 10.69 on the pre-market. Now what? Now we need to keep the bear case intact. We need to stay below 10.75. Okay, 10.75 is the 8-day moving average. If we stay below, watch out, 10.53 and the gap to fill at 10.26. If extends down, watch out because the next level 1K, okay, $1,000 on Tesla. If it gap and fade, but if they go back above 10.75, I'll be looking for a gap to fill at 10.87 today gap on Tesla. So giving back an overall picture around the NASDAQ, we have a very nice follow-through continuation from yesterday reversal sell, lower high. From lower highs, we have lower lows. We are on a key level, okay? The 21-day moving average. Can we go lower? Yes, we can. Anything can happen. But from the risk management perspective, it's wise to trim some of the gains. Trim some and adjust the stops on the rest. And what you do with the rest? If I will only be bullish, okay, if for some miracle NASDAQ goes back above this morning highs, okay, if for some miracle a big short squeeze triggers. That can also happen. Why not? We have seen it all. I've been trading for too many years, okay, to know that anything can happen, okay? On the last 14 plus years, I've been seeing all. So yeah, we need to be prepared, if then else. That's why I suggest trim some of the gains. If it breaks down below these morning lows and stays below, we can go lower. You keep trimming some of your gains on your shorts. Otherwise, adjust the stops to cap your gains. If it reverse bounce, you get stopped. but at least you kept your gains, okay? And you look for an oversold bounce and to filling these morning gaps, okay? So that's pretty much it that I'll be looking today. It's to see if the pre-market lows are going to hold. If yes, we can bounce to fill this morning gap. Otherwise, below today pre-market lows, if we go and stay below these pre-market lows, things can get very ugly in next couple of sessions. But for now, keeping open-minded for any of the possible outcomes, okay? With this said, I would like to thank you for watching. I'm doing this live from Monday to Friday. Please give me a like at 9 a.m. If you like this video. I try to help the traders community, giving the levels, giving my trading plan for the day. That's pretty much it that I'm doing. I share with you the levels that I do on every single day. To try to help you, okay, navigate these markets and give you some perspective what can we expect for the day, okay? So with this said, time to go. Wish you all a great trading. Stay safe, play wise. Don't forget that we have the Fed minutes at 2 p.m. so that can also trigger a move. Play wisely, manage your risk wisely, stay safe. See you all tomorrow. Count with you tomorrow, 9 a.m. Set your calendars, 9 a.m. New York time, new session, trying to figure out what the hell this market is doing. Stay safe, everyone. Bye-bye.